In 2025, humanoid robots blur the line between man and machine. Expressive, intelligent, and game-changing. Meet the top 10. Number 1. Optimus. Elon Musk's boldest vision yet may soon define history. The outspoken tech kingpin insists humanoid robots will be the biggest product ever, and he's backing it with action. Musk plans to mass-produce 500,000 Optimus units by 2027, a gamble that could shake the world. Genius or madness? Optimus, powered by Tesla's AI-4 chip, already interacts with its surroundings through an AI-trained brain. The commercial version, however, will likely run on the upcoming AI-5 chip, expected this year, unlocking far greater abilities, from manufacturing to home assistance. Even as Tesla faces slowing car demand, Musk is betting Optimus will secure the company's future. With China's competition rising, he's wagering big that a robot revolution could reignite investor faith and rescue Tesla's stock. Number 2. Unitree G1. China's Unitree Robotics may be new to humanoids, but its $16,000 G1 is already turning heads. So much so that the company has unveiled a version ready for mass production. Unitree first gained fame for its four-legged machines like the Go2 and B2, and when its first biped humanoid appeared, competition was already fierce from Tesla, Figure, Boston Dynamics, and Sanctuary AI. Yet progress came fast. The $90,000 debut model was soon followed by the cheaper, more capable G1. With a sleek visor face replacing its open gap and three-digit hands replacing stumps, it now looks less like a prototype and more like a finished product. Since its May reveal, engineers have fine-tuned both design and performance, preparing the G1 to finally step into mass production. Number 3. Astrobot S1. New humanoid robots seem to appear every week, but few move with the speed and precision of Astrobot's S1. This AI-powered creation from Shenzhen-based Astrobot, a subsidiary of Stardust Intelligence, is jaw-dropping. The humanoid field is growing crowded. Just last month, OpenAI collaborators 1X unveiled a soft-touch laundry folding bot, while Figure showcased next-gen language reasoning. Boston Dynamics wowed with Atlas's unmatched dexterity, and UBTECH impressed with its speaking bot, Walker S. Yet the S1 still manages to stand apart. In the latest demo, its speed, accuracy, and fluid control stunned viewers. It's fast, it's precise, and it feels unlike anything we've witnessed before. Number 4. Atlas. Boston Dynamics has revealed another glimpse of its latest Atlas, and this time, the all-electric humanoid is smarter than ever. Earlier clips showcased its unmatched agility, but now Atlas uses machine learning and upgraded sensors to take on sorting tasks in a simulated factory. The robot not only completes assignments, but also adapts in real time to environmental feedback. In one striking moment, a part sits too high to fit into the sequencing dolly. Atlas meets resistance, pauses, reevaluates, adjusts, and succeeds. The fully autonomous watermark makes the message clear. Boston Dynamics is proving Atlas can handle complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Before we jump ahead, hit like and subscribe now to stay updated on future robotics. Number 5. Figure 02. Figure AI introduced its initial prototype, Figure 01, back in 2022, a bipedal robot aimed at manual labor tasks in logistics and warehousing. Then on August 6, 2024, the company pulled back the curtain on Figure 02, the next generation of its humanoid robot. This upgraded version shows off a sleeker, slimmer design with integrated cabling in its limbs, which Figure AI proudly claims to be the world's first commercially viable autonomous humanoid robot. Compared to its predecessor, the new robot boasts a 50% increase in battery capacity. It comes equipped with 6 RGB cameras and an onboard vision language model. And under the hood, its computing power has been massively upgraded, now powered by NVIDIA RTX GPU-based modules that deliver 3 times the inference capability of the earlier model. Number 6. Ameca. Search for the world's most advanced humanoid, and almost every path leads to Ameca by Engineered Arts. And it's clear why. Built to be modular and upgradable in both hardware and software, Ameca is designed with a gender-neutral, non-threatening appearance to make human-robot interaction more natural. It comes equipped with embedded microphones, binocular IM-mounted cameras, a chest camera, and facial recognition software, making it a powerful platform for advancing robotics technologies centered on human interaction. While Ameca cannot walk just yet, it has been engineered with the potential for mobility in the future. Its cognitive abilities are greatly amplified by integration with OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4 models, allowing it to understand and respond to questions, crack jokes, mimic celebrity voices, dance, and even hold conversations that feel surprisingly engaging. Number 7. Neo Beta. Picture a humanoid robot that's as friendly as it is advanced. 1X's NEO is bringing that vision to life. Max Aguilera-Helweg, both a doctor and photographer, has long captured how robots increasingly resemble humans. His book, Humanoid, showcases portraits ranging from lifelike Geminids to eerie machines designed to learn. Now, with 1X unveiling its NEO Beta, a futuristic humanoid robot, could Aguilera-Helweg's vision finally be coming true? The Neo Beta isn't just another machine. It feels like a companion at home, ready to lend a hand or even offer a hug. As this robot makes headlines, it raises the question of how close we really are to such a future. With a humanoid like NEO Beta, that vision seems closer than ever. Stay tuned to see how NEO Beta is paving the way for an entirely new era in robotics. Number 8. CyberOne by Xiaomi. Humanoid robots depend on vision to process their surroundings, and CyberOne takes that to another level. Built with a self-developed MySense depth vision module combined with an AI interaction algorithm, it can perceive three-dimensional space, recognize individuals, gestures, and expressions, and truly process its environment to communicate with the world. CyberOne also carries a self-developed MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and a MyAI vocal emotion identification engine, giving it to recognize 85 environmental sounds and 45 classifications of human emotion. It can detect happiness and even comfort users in times of sadness. All of this is integrated into its processing units, paired with a curved OLED module that displays real-time interactive information. The potential applications are wide, from manufacturing assistance to human companionship. Yet for now, it feels more like today's Honda Asimo, a promising experiment serving as a strong ambassador for the work happening behind the scenes. Number 9. Walker S1 by UBTECH Robotics. Foxconn, the world's largest electronics manufacturer, has announced it is integrating UBTECH's industrial humanoid robots to help assemble iPhones. The partnership followed a 2-month training program at Foxconn's Shenzhen facility. Now, UBTECH's Walker S1 AI-powered humanoids are being deployed to handle tasks such as moving, sorting, and quality inspection. While financial details and deployment numbers remain undisclosed, Shenzhen-based UBTECH confirmed in late 2024 that it had received more than 500 pre-orders for its flagship industrial humanoid. Already, UBTECH robots have been put to work in several automotive plants across China, including BYD, the world's largest EV maker. These robots collaborate within an AI-powered logistics system, and the Walker line has also been integrated at ZTE's 5G Smart Factory as well as FAW Volkswagen's plant in Qingdao. Number 10. Neura Robotics 4NE1. German robotics maker. Neura has unveiled footage of its humanoid robot 4NE1, showing it performing everyday tasks like ironing and moving boxes. The release comes just as NVIDIA is rolling out new tools for humanoids at the SIGGRAPH conference in Colorado, where big names like 1X, Figure, and Boston Dynamics dominate the spotlight. Neura had teased the cheekily named 4NE1 for some time, though progress seemed slow as the company concentrated on more traditional industrial robots. During a humanoid robotics panel at Automate, alongside Boston Dynamics, Agility, and Aptronic, Neura CEO David Rager promised a closer look at the bot in July. Several robots were displayed at that event, but none were functional, leaving them more as photo ops than working machines. Next, PUDU-DH1. Pudu Robotics has unveiled the Pudu DH11, an 11-degree of freedom dexterous robotic hand designed to push the boundaries of object manipulation for humanoid and semi-humanoid robots. The release marks another step forward from Pudu Robotics Innovation Hub, Pudu X Lab, building on the semi-humanoid Pudu D7 launched in September. With a 5-fingered human-like design, the Pudu DH11 offers 11 degrees of freedom and integrates 12 tactile sensing areas spread across the palm, 4 fingers, and thumb. Within these areas lie 1,800 tactile sensor pixels, enabling the hand to detect and respond to subtle environmental forces, ensuring precise task execution and safer human-robot interaction. Its lightweight biomimetic structure features a cable-driven and under-actuated mechanism combining function with efficiency. Up next, Alex. Boardwalk Robotics has taken a practical approach with its latest humanoid, Alex. Unlike most others, Alex comes without legs, as the company believes mobility isn't always necessary, and skipping it makes the design more cost-effective. Instead, Alex shines with 19 degrees of freedom, versatile wrists, and the ability to carry up to 22 pounds. These strengths make it perfectly suited for tasks like sorting, cleaning products, and handling everyday maintenance duties. Alex has already proven its potential, showing off by completing various household chores. Moving on, we have HMND01. Developed by the London-based company Humanoid, this robot is built with speed and precision in mind. Its hands can actually move faster than a human's, giving it remarkable dexterity. With 41 degrees of freedom, the ability to carry up to 33 pounds, and an average runtime of 4 hours, HMND01 demonstrates advanced motor control and impressive hand-eye coordination. It's already being hailed as the next-generation labor automation unit designed to take on a wide range of industrial tasks. And last on our list, Protoone V1. This humanoid stands out as one of the boldest experiments in robotics, boasting over 200 degrees of freedom, powered by 1,000 myofibers and 500 sensors. What sets it apart is its musculoskeletal structure. Protoone V1 is claimed to be the world's first bipedal musculoskeletal android. Using clone myofiber technology, it employs artificial muscles attached to precise bone points, just like in the human body, to move its skeleton. With this innovation, Protoone V1 doesn't just look human, it moves like one too. That's the list. Which robot blew your mind? Comment below and hit subscribe for more future tech.